Next question. All the points x comma y, all the points x comma y in the plane satisfying the equation x square plus 2x into sin xy plus 1 is equals to 0 lie on. Question is all the points x comma y in the plane satisfying the equation x square plus 2x into sin xy plus 1 is equal to 0 lie on. First option, a pair of straight lines. Option B, a family of hyperbola. Option C, a parabola. Option D, an ellipse. KVPY 2011 SX question. Solution. See, the given equation is x square plus 2x sin xy plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the in this quadratic equation is contains trigonometric function also, sin xy. It's algebraic and trigonometric mixed equation. So what you do is separate trigonometric part and algebraic part. That is 2x sin xy is equals to, you take out this algebraic part, that is x square 1 this side, right hand side, then it will be minus x square plus 1 minus x square, and no, this is trigonometry. Here also algebraic term is there, x, you throw divide with x, that is 2 sin xy. If you divide throughout with x, then what you get? Minus of x plus 1 by x. Now this is trigonometric, this is algebraic. We separated trigonometric point and algebraic part. So this is trigonometric and this one is algebraic. Whenever the question is of this type, trigonometric versus algebraic, then in most of the questions, the question will be boundary value question. The question will be boundary value problem. Therefore, here, because trigonometric versus algebraic, therefore boundary value problem. So boundary value problem means here you see this one, this trigonometric part, if you see sin xy is always lies between what? Minus 1 to 1. It's 2 sin xy, multiply throughout with 2. Therefore, minus 2 is less than or equals to 2 sin xy is less than or equal to 2. So this is the first part, this LHS. And come to the RHS. In RHS, if you observe, this x and 1 by x are reciprocal of each other. Here x comma 1 by x are reciprocal of each other. Therefore product is constant here. For this one, product is constant. X into 1 by x is what? 1 here. X into 1 by x is 1. So here, if you apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean for x and 1 by x. Here product is constant. If a plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to ab, arithmetic mean of AB is a plus b by 2, geometric mean is root AB. If product is constant, we can find the minimum value of the sum a plus b. Here product is constant, x sin 1 by x. Therefore apply AM is greater than or equal to GM for x sin 1 by x. Apply AM is greater than or equal to GM for x comma 1 by x. Then what you get? Arithmetic mean is what? X plus 1 by x by 2 is greater than or equal to, geometric mean is what? X into 1 by x. So x into 1 by x. So the x plus 1 by x, this is anyways 1 only. You take out this 2 this side, is greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2. But here LHS is, RHS is what? Minus of x plus 1 by x. Therefore multiply throughout with minus. If you multiply throughout with minus, inequality changes. Therefore x minus of x plus 1 by x is less than or equal to minus 2. So this is second part. This is RHS. Now if you observe this first and second, this is the equation. This is the equation. So if you take this part, that is, if you take this part only, this 2 sin xy is greater than or equal to minus 2, and right hand side is what? Minus of x plus 1 by x is less than or equal to minus 2. If you take this part, don't think about this one, just we are considering this one only, this 2 sin xy, that is LHS. So if you observe the question, what is the question here? After separating 2 sin, after separating and trigonometric and algebraic part, this is the question. 2 sin xy is equal to minus of x plus 1 by x. Minus of x plus 1 by x. So from first one, 2 sin xy is always greater than or equal to minus 2. Means this LHS is always greater than or equal to minus 2 from this one. Now from second one, RHS is always less than or equal to minus 2. RHS is always less than or equal to minus 2. But here it's a equation. When we need to solve this equation, when these two are equal, only possibility is what? Both should be equal to minus 2 simultaneously. There is no other choice, because this is greater than or equal to minus 2. This is LHS is greater than or equal to minus 2. RHS is less than or equal to minus 2. Both should be equal only when both are equal to minus 2 simultaneously. That is the only possibility. These type of questions are called as boundary value problems or extreme value problems, like this. So from this one, only possibility is what? Simultaneously 2 sin xy is equals to minus 2, and at the same time, and means what? At the same time, minus of x plus 1 by x is also equal to minus 2. This is the only possibility. So this is the only possibility. Now we need to solve this system of equations. So here system of equations of two variables. Here x is one variable and y is another variable. Here we need to solve this one. Now you take this first this part, algebraic part you take. So here x plus 1 by x minus of x plus 1 by x equal to 2 means, from this one, x plus 1 by x is equal to what? Minus of x plus 1 by x minus 2 means x plus 1 by x equal to 2. Now solve, this is a quadratic, you solve this one. This implies x square plus 1 by x is equals to what? 2. That implies x square plus 1 is equals to 2x. This implies x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. It's a perfect square. This is what? X minus 1 whole square equal to 0. It's a perfect square. Therefore only possibility is what? What is the solution? X is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 is one solution. So now you put x is equal to 1 in this first one. Now put this x is equals to 1 in this one. If you put x is equal to 1 in this equation, what you get here? 2 sin of, from here 2 sin of xy is equals to minus 2. This 2 to cancel and put x equal to 1. Then what you get? This implies sin of x is 1. Therefore only you remain here y is equals to what? Minus 1. Now this is the trigonometric equation. Sin y is equal to minus 1. So what is the general solution of this equation? Y is equals to 2n pi minus pi by 2, where n is an integer. So this is the value of y. X is equal to what? 1, and corresponding y is equals to what? 2n pi minus pi by 2. So this is the solution. But in question it is being asked to find, what is the question? Now come to the question. See, all the points x comma y in the plane satisfying this equation lies on pair of lines or family of hyperbola, parabola, or ellipse. So here all of the x comma y means what? Here x is constant only we got 1, y is a variable, therefore y varies, but x is fixed. X is equal to 1 only, fixed. Y is depends upon the value of n. N is an integer. Now what you do is, now what is x? Now x is equals to 1, fixed. Now our ordered pair is what? First we will write the ordered pair. Sir, we will write the ordered pair was or solution. If the question is of solution set in a examination, if it is being asked to find the solution set, then the answer will be like this. If the solution means what? X is fixed, corresponding y values are what? 2n pi minus pi by 2, yes or no, where n is an integer. This is the solution set. This is the solution set. But our question is what? The solution set lies on which curve? Pair of lines are parabola or hyperbola, ellipse. Now what you do is, for x is equals to 1 only, you take x is equals to 1. Here n is an integer, therefore n is equals to integer, therefore n is equal to 0 you take. For n is equals to 0, that is the value of y. Y will be what? N is equals to 0, y is equal to minus pi by 2. Now this point x equal to 1, y is equal to minus pi by 2. Therefore 1 comma minus pi by 2. Where this 1 comma minus pi by 2 lies, we will check. Now this x axis and this one is y axis. This x is equal to what? 1. X is equal to 1 is the line which is parallel to y axis, is passes through 1 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0. So this is x is equals to 1 line. This is x is equals to 1 line. Now y is equal to what? Minus pi by 2. X is equals to 1. Y is equals to what? X equal to 1 is this one. Y is equal to minus pi by 2. What is y is equal to minus pi by 2? The line which passes through which is parallel to y axis and passes through minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 will be somewhere over here, 0 comma minus pi by 2. So this is the thing. So this is the point. This is the rough diagram. Oh, sorry. Plus. Correct only. Fourth quadrant, because plus minus, plus minus plus minus minus plus minus. So this is the point. This point is what? 1 comma minus pi by 2. So this point lies on pair of line or not? X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus pi by 2. It's a pair of line. Therefore this point lies on the pair of lines which is formed by x equal to 1 and y is equal to minus pi by 2. Similarly, you take x is equal to 1, x is fixed, n is equal to 1 you take, you will get another value. That also you will get one more pair of one more point. That also, if you draw the diagram, that also lies on one pair of line. Therefore the answer is what? The point of the points, therefore solutions of this equation lies on what? A pair of straight lines. Therefore the answer is what? Option A.